I live in Östermalm in Skövde. From one window of my house, I see F. Hallen's Volvo logo all the time. So Volvo is in my mind day and night. I cannot forget about work anytime. No. I came to Sweden in 2016, coming from New Delhi in India, as it's the most crowded place, I can say, very crowded, and place like Skövde, where I can count on tips how many persons I see in a day. But now I feel Skövde is my habit. It's heaven for me, paradise for me here. The job I do is to understand machine health state and predict about machine health and the kind of failures we may have in future. I'm using less resources in changing the parts, as well as using the resource as human being, manpower, and I'm keeping the machine running for a long time, which is actually helping me end of the day for environment. When I talk about Volvo's future vision, it's about digitalization and Industry 4.0, and there we are quite dependent upon data as well as providing predictions for future. So that's kind of combination is quite needed in the company. That's the future. That's the roadmap what we see in Volvo. I meet friends of friends and make friends. I was in this apartment system, and there was a lady. Her boyfriend's daughter became very good friend to me. Sometimes I'm just on a walk and I just knock the door and then we chat for hours just like that. So she is quite accommodating, I can say. When it comes to Volvo, then I see, yes, we are working for future. And it's not only about we are building a product, we are building the society here.